In this example, I need to solve the problem 4 times the quantity 2x plus 4 equals 19 minus the quantity 3 minus 8x. So what type of problem is it? There's an equals. It's an equation. What's the highest exponent on any of my x's? It's just x to degree 1, so this is a linear equation. And how do I solve linear equations? Well, I need to get rid of my parentheses first, so let's do that. So I'm going to distribute the 4 into these parentheses on the left-hand side. So 4 times 2x is 8x, and then 4 times 4 is positive 16, equals 19. Now be careful over here. Students often mess up when you just have a minus in front of a parentheses. Remember, that really means there's a -1 in front of that parentheses. So we're going to distribute the -1 into those parentheses. So -1 times 3 is -3. -1 times -8x is positive 8x. Double check when you have just a negative in front of a parentheses, it flips both of the signs. So plus 3 went to -3 and -8x went to plus 8x. Next step, can we simplify anything? Unlike terms on the left-hand side, so I'm just going to leave it as 8x plus 16 equals any like terms on the right-hand side. Yes, I have 19 minus 3, so I have 16 plus 8x. Unlike terms on the right-hand side can't combine. So now I want to collect my x's. It doesn't matter which side I collect them on. I want to collect them over here on the left-hand side, so I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides. And something strange happens. On the left-hand side, I have 8x minus 8x. Those add to 0. So on the left-hand side, I just get left with 16. On the right-hand side, I have 16, and then I also have 8x minus 8x that are going to add to 0. So the only thing on the right-hand side is 16. So notice all my variables have disappeared. I don't have any x's left in this statement. And when that happens, it's one of the special cases. And you look at this arithmetic statement and decide, is it true or false? Does 16 equal 16? Yes, 16 does equal 16. So this is a true statement. That means I don't care what value of x you put into the original equation. When you solve it, excuse me, you will always land up at this true statement. So this is a special case. This is called an identity. And now how do we write the solutions? Well, what are the solutions? Any real number. And what we write out is the solution is all real numbers.